Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to solve the exercise SQL Injection Attack, querying the database type and version on Oracle. In the video description you will find a link to a write-up. The write-up contains more detailed descriptions. So if you have any questions, just have a look in the write-up. After starting the lab, the shop should look like the one in the video. The individual product images appear to be missing. From the lab description we know there's a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. We click on any filter and see the corresponding category's products displayed. In this example, the Tech Gifts filter was used. In Burp Suite, we switch over to Burp Proxy and open the HTTP history there. We look for the request get/filter. Category equals Tech Gifts HTTP/2 and send it to Burp Repeater with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+R. Once again, we need to work out the number of columns in the table, just as in the previous lab. What matters here is that Oracle requires every select to reference a table. There's no bare select null like on MySQL or PostgreSQL, so we point our union select at dual, Oracle's built-in dummy table that always has exactly one row and exists purely to satisfy this requirement. We find 2 columns and the final request from that step looks like this. Next we need to find out which columns accept text, just as in the lab on finding a text column. Both columns turn out to accept text, and the final request from that step looks like this. We query the Oracle database version via $version, a built-in system view that exposes version and component banner strings, the rough Oracle equivalent of @ version on MySQL or MSSQL server. Scrolling down in the Response tab, we find the version string. With that, the lab has been solved successfully.